Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I have a quick video walk around of this 2023 Honda Jazz Advance. Now of course this is the brand new facelift of the Jazz range. As you can see, it has got a change in the front bumper and the front grille, and a few other additional features have been updated in the facelift of this vehicle. We have got full LED headlights at the front. We've got 4 front parking sensors. We've also got these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. These are another feature that have changed on this model of car as a part of the mid-term facelift. Walking around to the rear as well, you'll notice that the rear bumper has also been changed. You've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've got a reversing camera just up top here as well. In the back of the car now, you've got plenty of room in the tailgate. As part of the facelift, nothing on the interior has changed space-wise, apart from a few little interior adjustments on the overall look of the interior. Moving into the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you have got the cloth grey with the black leather interior with Isofix mounting points as standard. You get full electric windows and a full keyless entry as standard as well. In the middle, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your economy button and your eCVT gearbox in the middle, as you can see just there. We've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats. You've then got your 10-inch display in the middle, which comes with your satellite navigation, all of your various audio sources, and last but not least, your Bluetooth hands-free. Unfortunately, I can't go into too much detail as my phone is not connected to the car. However, moving over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume controls on the left with your voice assistant, track select, and your onboard computer settings. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right with your heated steering wheel. We also have automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 8 miles from new. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz Advance, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.